KTM 690 Enduro R. Never ridden this older generation. Some gravel. Mason's gonna do a little pivot turn here probably. We got a Moto Z, some kind of Moto Z in the front, but the rear's got a brand new Trackmaster 140 8018. Oh my gosh. He's hooking up. This has also got a Yosh exhaust, which is a little louder. This definitely feels more dirt bike-ish to me already. I don't know if it's all the KTMs feel a little more dirt bikey to me than the Huskies, and it's because of the narrower seat right here in the front. I think I can squeeze my legs way better. But this slightly older generation feels even more so. Good. Pretty sick.
That bike's definitely got the weight down lower than this one.
Yeah.
This one feels kind of top heavy.
Yeah. I don't know if it's the seat being narrower or if it's the lack of fairing, but as soon as I got on this one, it felt way more dirt bikey.
Yeah.
And the exhaust is more like...
It sounds like 450.
Yeah, it just feels like you're riding a 450. A big, powerful, motor-built 450.
Yeah.
I think this tire brakes in the gravel better than that one. Maybe probably because it's 140.
Yeah.
But like a couple times I tried to lock it up and I couldn't, like it wouldn't even lock up. It was just like stopping.
Yeah.
I thought it was sweet. I like it. Feels great.
Yeah, it feels fantastic.
Definitely felt that Trackmaster when I got on the pavement. I gave it a little, felt it sliding.
Yeah.
But plus this brake is really funky. Tough to get used to.
Fix that.
Got to adjust it, but this thing's sweet. It runs just as good as that one.
Did you feel the throttle twitchiness?
Not really. A little bit maybe, but not really. I expected more. Sweet. It's sweet, dude.
I mean, honestly, like,
you got a
yours
freaking
car
deal.
pretty stinking. Like, I don't know if it's that tire or what, but in the gravel, that thing carves just as good as the DR, if not better.
Yeah. And it has the weight way higher than the DR.
Yeah.
And it has way more power than the DR.
Yeah.
I think it's fine. I think I just got to respect the throttle and I'll be fine.
Honestly, there's a couple times I goosed it and all it did, like it would spin, but it'd spin straight.
That was not the case before.
Yeah.
With the other tire, anytime I would break loose, I'd end up all the way to the right.
No, it tracked.
Love it, dude.